Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to send SMS messages using Twilio in just a few lines of code. This is perfect for beginners, developers, or anyone building apps that need notifications, OTPs, or alerts. So, what is Twilio? Twilio is a cloud communication platform that lets you send SMS, voice, WhatsApp, and more using simple APIs. Today, we are focusing on sending SMS using the Twilio API and Python. Start by going to twilio.com and sign up for a free account. Click start for free. Enter your first and last name. Enter email address and add password, then click the box and click continue. Or if you have already an account, just log into your account. Once inside the dashboard, note down your account SID or authentication token. You will need this for the code. So I'm going to create an account on Twilio. Enter your password, then click continue. Now go to your Gmail inbox and copy the code from your account and copy the code and paste here. Then click verify. Now note down account SID and next go to the phone number section and click buy a number from Twilio. Don't worry, it's free with test credits. Now let's write the code. You can use any language, but I will use Python here with the Twilio helper library. Install Twilio with pip. So I will show you from what notepad. Pip install Twilio, then code snippet. Type from Twilio dot dot rest import client account SID. Enter your account SID here, then authentication token, auth code token. Enter your authentication token, then take a variable like client equal to client, then your account SID, then copy it and paste here. Then message equal to client dot message s dot create, then body equal to hello from Twilio. And form from equal to your number. Add your number here, and number to recipient number, and and ensure add comma here. This script sends a message from your Twilio number to your own phone. Make sure to verify your number first if you are using a free account. Save this script as sms.py, run it in your terminal, and boom, you should receive a text on your phone in seconds. So that's it. And that's how you use Twilio to send SMS in 2025. If you found this useful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more coding tutorials, and comment below if you wanted Twilio WhatsApp or voice call tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.